For this year's STS, we encourage our members to download the STS Meeting App to view abstracts, to plan your schedule, and receive the latest meeting updates.
You can plan your schedule and set it up so that the app actually reminds you where you're supposed to be, when you're supposed to be, so you can individualize your own curriculum from the meeting.
It also allows you to communicate with other attendees at the meeting, and one of my favorite aspects of the new app is that it continues to show a live Twitter feed of everything going on at the meeting. Be sure to follow hashtag STS2019 in order to see live updates from all the talks that you can't attend in person.
Be sure to download the STS Meetings app. A, there is not going to be any program booklet, so you're going to need it. And B, I think you're going to find that it makes your meeting experience more rewarding and much more organized. It's an outstanding app. I think you're going to appreciate it.